Ngokusho komele iBusiness Unity South Africa, ukusetshenziswa kwezingane kuleli kuvame kakhulu kumabhizinisi angalawulwa imigomo kahulumeni.
If you go to the fishing communities, there's high unemployment, and there's also a lot of drugs that kids access. You find out that families or family business owners, they would rather have their children working for them in a small business or in a family holdings. That's where the problem starts.
Zibalelwa egidini ezili-160 izingane ezisetshenziswayo emhlabeni jikelele, kanti kulindeleke ukuthi lesibalo senyuke. Umqondisi weStats SA uMalerato Mosiane uchaza kabanzi ngokuthi iNingizimu Afrika iqoqa kanjani izibalo.
For instance, we would ask if they were involved in any economic activities, whether they were involved in doing any house chores, because some of the activities don't count as child labor. So we have a series of questions. I'm just going to give you an idea of what kind of questions we ask. We also try to establish if they missed any school because of having to be involved in doing some economic activities.
Ukuphazamiseka kweinhlelo okwenziwa ukubhedwa kwe-COVID-19 nakho kube nomthelela wokuqoqwa kwemininingwane ethinta izingane emazweni ahlukene.
All countries are working with their statistical officers in very rigorous way. Where we are not so happy or where we would like is to have more data. It's not the quality is good, but not enough. In many countries, either they don't have data at all, or they are collected once every 10 years. And, you know, between the two data collection, we don't know what happens. So it's quite difficult to have those good policies.
Le ngqungquthela izoqhubeka kuze kube uLwesihlanu.